ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହାଏ ନମସ୍କାର ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ। ଆଜି ଆମେ ଆସିକି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥିଲୁ ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶର ପ୍ରୟାଗରାଜରେ। ସେଠି ଆମର ଅସ୍ଥି ବିସର୍ଜନ ଆଉ ପିଣ୍ଡଦାନ ଦବାର ଥିଲା। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା କେମିତି ଅସ୍ଥି ବିସର୍ଜନ କଲୁ ଆଉ କେମିତି ପିଣ୍ଡର କର୍ମ ସବୁ କଲୁ ଏଇ ଭିଡିଓରେ ଆଗକୁ ସବୁ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ।
Wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job. I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. I wish there was a song with your name as the title. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards, upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes? Yeah. Such drama queen, such drama queen. And I wish there was a song that I could make you strong. 'Cause I'm tired of feeling low. I gotta move on. I wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job. I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. I wish there was a song with your name as the title. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards, upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on I